We're playing I Am Monkey, but part two. So I was swearing in some videos, but let's play it. Bro, it's loading. Talk to the elephant. Put a What's a pacifier? Oh, I know what a pacifier is. Oh, it's on shelf 3. Shelf 3. I have got shelf 1, shelf 2, and shelf 3. So we need this. Of course there's an ad though, so don't worry about it. But I'm just jumping like a monkey. Ow. Boom. Bam. Bap. Bada boom. Bap. Bada bap. Boom. Bam. Bap. Bada bap. Boom. Bada bap. Boom. Pow. Suddenly a patient. I don't know why I was sing. Give me that pacifier. Now you're a baby. That's funny, so funny. Hit visitor with the 8-ball. Oh, so he meant the bowling ball. Oh. What's going on with the handcuffs? Hit visitor with the magical ball. Oh, so it's on shelf 2. Oh. Ow. But I hurt myself. Was he hot? Okay, oh well, let's just go. Oh my gosh, bruh. Wait. Oh my gosh, I was confused. Okay. Hit a visitor with the magical ball. Hey, come here. Am I a monkey? Am I a monkey? Am I a monkey? No. Give me that. Okay, no, you stop. We are. Oh, this or this. I'm gonna do this one. Hey, come. Come, please. Please come. Come, please. Stop. Here, do some VR. Tap. I did some. I let her have some VR, bruh. Use the hair clippers. See? Oh my gosh, bro. Wait, I want to do something. I want to do something really funny. Remember last time, part 1, guys? Yeah, I couldn't complete the elephant's tasks. Then I figured it out. And I did the task. I completed the task. Yeah. So, in a minute. Oh my gosh, I forgot another ad. Okay, give me that. Hit visitor with the hit E. A. Bam. Handcuff. So this one's so free. But first, it's on shelf 3. Wait, so give me. Okay, bro. Wait, look at that. Boom. 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 Give me that. No, another ad. Come here. Come here. Come in here. Oh my gosh. This guy. I was gonna swear, but I didn't want to swear. Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow. Boom. You're fired. Why did you do the task? Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I was just playing, guys. Give me that apple. Okay, come in here. Come in. Come on. Come in. Give me that. Let me shave your hair. Let me shave. Let me shave it. Let me shave it. Let me shave it, you guy. If you don't let me shave. Bad boy. You know what? Wait. Oh my gosh. Bro, that didn't count. That didn't count. Guys, that didn't count. Come here. Come here. Come. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'm Rico Stoica, and